Alright, so this is 5-3 Binomial CDF using the calculator part 5. Again, I'm going to use the setup for example 5-17. This time I'm going to ask the question, find the probability that between 5 and 7 are successes. If I set this up with my boxes, I'm only interested in adding up 5 plus 6 plus 7 as far as my probabilities go, what my successes are. The thing is, adding 3 of them isn't bad, but what if I had to add 20 of them or 30 of them? So how can I get something that's kind of in the middle of my grouping? Well, if I count everything up to 7, and I subtract from it everything up to 4, what am I left with? I'm left with the stuff that I'm interested in. So it turns out I can use my binomial CDF. I'm going to count out of the 10 trials, the 0.2, I'm going to count everything up to 7. That's my second one. All right? I'm going to subtract from it my binomial CDF 10.2 4, and what that leaves me with is everything in between. So on my calculator, I'm just going to find these two values, subtract them, and what's left over is my in-between. Now you have to be extremely careful that you count it up to 4, not up to 5. Otherwise, if I'd counted a little bit further, do you see I would have lost my fifth one? So that's why I counted 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and stopped, and not the fifth one. You got to be really careful with your endpoints on this one, and that's where a lot of the mistakes are going to happen. So, recapping. When you have to find between two numbers, take the bigger one, subtract the smaller one, and then you'll be left over with the in-between.